Hi, my name is Ken Meisch, and on behalf of Bristol Squibb, I am representing our digital workforce and user experience team as our employee portal lead. In the field of life sciences such as ours, the development and innovation of medicine is integral to our success. Our MyBMS portal is treated equivalently, constantly advancing and evolving, which empowers our colleagues to continue their mission for having passion for the patient. We have diligently focused on streamlining the most important information our colleagues need to access and interact with in a centralized location. The IT org formed a very talented group of user experience specialists, researchers, designers, and IT content writers to first assess and investigate our workers' needs and wants, formulate a layout that was reflective of these desires, and deliver our next level content experience. This naturally expanded into a deeper partnership with our people services team, otherwise known as HR, and a future collaboration with facilities, creating a personalized experience based upon a user's role and even location. I personally come from a background focused in customer service and technical support, so delivery of exceptional quality service is embedded in me. The team I work with is similarly passionate about user experience and enabling employee engagement. Ultimately, the faster my colleagues across the business can find answers and resolve their issues, our patients can receive service and life-changing advancements for their unmet medical needs. Okay, let's dive into the current version of the portal a bit. To keep it simple, our design decisions have been very deliberate. Using prior analytics, user feedback, and research data, the team determined areas of success and opportunity from our prior content portals where IT and HR contents were once separated. We leveraged that information to outline what and where information should be surfaced for the redesign. The largest adjustment was our topic taxonomy. Noting a large volume stemmed from search, we determined that categories would streamline the information to make consuming the most valuable content simpler to navigate. The team focused from both a financial and future compatibility perspective to retain as much out-of-the-box functionality as possible, so the design, although configured to our liking, leverages many standard features. Starting with our homepage, the design focus of our portal is to ensure that colleagues can receive support when, where, and how they need it. Our intent is to streamline the most important information so it's easily located through search or browsing. A few items I'd like to highlight that are key navigational experiences within the primary areas of user engagement include our mega menu, which will soon be viewed in the new expanded format. We've categorized HR, IT, facilities, and other company content in this bar. The centralized content experience carousel highlights key announcements and updates that will continuously be updated. A large percentage of our users leverage the app launcher to quickly access key enterprise applications and services. We also expanded this within the Quick Links widget to call out some additional resources. We've also defined a widget as a placeholder to contact support services until we finalize configuring the new Get Support offering that is now available. The News Center is also an area of great collaboration where we showcase company information, patient stories, and new releases. We look forward to expanding this functionality additionally within content pages as well in the near future. I do not have any new hires to showcase the Manager Hub, but our HR org is working hard to make sure the Journey functionality is a great experience for our onboard and offboard processes. We've created the Manager Library and centralized many key resources for people managers to reference improving their efficiency and effectiveness. Significant feedback was received asking for web applications to be searchable. So I'd like to point out that within AI Search, we also enabled the ability to locate our apps with iconography in advance of this being a supported feature. To highlight a few key rich content microsite areas, I'll quickly navigate through some pages that we have built and layered some different types of content and formats depending on the stakeholder requirements and needs of the users that typically consume this information, all leveraging user criteria to ensure proper visibility. Starting with identity management, an area mostly used by our expanding partner network, the team allied some of the most prioritized and utilized articles and catalog items. Our site directory is foundational to our user base, as they can receive site information about the facility they reside at or are visiting. Our top nav also automates visibility to their site based upon the employee profile. As you can see through the various tiles, each site has layers of resources available, which alter by location that we present. Additionally, there are links embedded for items like emergency contact, site address, and even dining info. Within HR, pages can be as simple as info on compensation and recognition to give a brief overview and contextual information, a typical topic page with resources and links within workplace experience, or truly a content explosion within Living Life Better, where we moved away from individual articles and built a library of information and categorized resources. The MyBMS portal has been extremely well received by users and has solidified itself as our key Start Here homepage. Leadership expectations have been focused on the realization of two key areas: to improve discoverability of information and knowledge, and to recognize an overall improvement of self-service opportunities. Since migration from our prior portal design, we have seen an improvement in knowledge thanks to topic content page hits of about 12%, which may seem insignificant, but in a world of analytics where our portal has about 45 to 50,000 unique users a week, and the average user journey is typically checking their ticket status, browsing the request catalog, and accessing application links, an improvement in knowledge interactions is notable. We have also related this to the decrease in service desk calls and tickets for some of our top call drivers. By improving the findability, addressing gaps identified in search, and even restructuring our topic taxonomy to ensure articles and catalog items that are the most impactful and utilized are easily located, this naturally led to an elevated level of self-service. We are always exploring the future opportunities that ServiceNow offers to enhance the current portal experience. Currently, we have not yet activated the Get Support widget, as we are configuring the tool a bit differently to relate to our multiple layers of service desk offerings, which encompass various teams from IT, field support, scientific and labs, facilities, HR, and others. We have already customized the People Services page for case routing, which directs records based upon the CI and HR service defined for each knowledge article or block. We additionally are testing available APIs for Viva Engage and connectivity to offer the portal view directly within MS Teams. We are also assessing the ServiceNow Virtual Agent as a replacement for the Barista chatbot service that is currently in place. The team also has lofty aspirations to integrate both our expansive enterprise search and full ChatGPT functionality directly within the MyBMS homepage. Our page layout and widget order is also never finite. User research testing is currently underway to assess areas of opportunity within our layout. Thank you for your time and consideration of our quick overview. Constantly adapting and surfacing these powerful capabilities and offers that are still yet to come will ensure that our workforce is able to be their most productive and effective, as patients are always waiting.